Hi guys, welcome back with me again. Change the passcode in a meeting on Zoom Workplace. So here I've already opened the Zoom Workplace apps on my computer, and if you want to change the passcode, you just need to follow the steps. So under the new meeting options here, just click on this drop down, the arrow down in here. So this is the personal meeting ID. This is my personal meeting ID or passcode. So if you want to change it, you can just click on this, go to the PMI settings, tap on this, and this settings will be opened. So this is the current password. So the previous one is not passcode but personal meeting ID. I'm sorry. So if you want to change the passcode in here, you can just delete it. For example, I'm going to change it into new pass 123. Okay, for example, like that. You can just click on save now. So when you start a new meeting, let's start a new meeting first. The passcode will be changed with a new one. Okay, so that's all for me. That's how you can change a passcode in in Zoom Workplace. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.